ẹ̀gbọ́n tó sọ ojúwe ẹni yẹn ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ mi ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn ló máa mọ gbogbo lórí social media ó ní ṣé wọ́n rántí ẹnìkan tó gbé kéèkì wá ó ní wọ́n ṣe kéèkì yẹn ní anonymous ẹ lọ́wọ́ ṣòtò ṣe ní èmi.
anonymous gangan tó sọ yẹn ni wọ́n ni.
Ó ní wọ́n ṣe kéèkì yẹn ní àná òun bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ onífèrè yẹn ló sọ pé anonymous ó ní tó fi sọ pé Gistlover.
Anonymous ni ṣe chocolate fún anonymous ni ammonia ICD ni ẹ̀ ń ṣe anonymous.
Ló ní pé kí wọ́n á gbé kéèkì fún un wọ́n á ní ìṣẹ̀pẹ̀.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí ló tẹ̀ ṣe listing Esabod mọ́ Esabod ò ní views mọ́ kí ló Esabod ò ní lárí mọ́. Iyabo ò ṣẹ̀sìn o Iyabo òjò ṣẹ̀sìn gan-an ẹ̀sìn global. Èwo nu yín ló di kí lẹ ronú lọ síbi àkàrà náà kí lẹ ronú débi àkàrà ta ló ní kẹ́ lọ dín àkàrà pìtìpìtì ngbà yí Esabod kọ́lọ́ ń fọ̀run kẹ́ á jókòó báyìí ni 15,000 20,000 a máa wò ó a máa parọ́ a máa hun rán yẹn a máa hun olórí burúkú àwáyé má ṣe rere a máa hun Esabod wá dẹni tó ń ṣe ṣó téèyàn 100 òwò mọ́ ó máa ṣe o ìgbà tó lọ bí òréré ayé ògbọ́n kò tán lọ bí ọ̀pá àbọ̀ a ní Ọ̀jájá come here Wàsíù Àyìndé come here iṣẹ́ lọ́balọ́ba ni mò ń ṣe àwa máa pa irọ́ ńláńlá mọ́ pa olórí burúkú á tún pè mí kémi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì èmi tí mo lórúkọ èmi tí mo mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run mú mi lọ síbi tó ga imagine tó pẹ́gbà tó ń ṣe show fáwọn ọba Ọ̀jájá àwọn Alhaji Wàsíù Àyìndé imagine kí lọ máa kọ́mẹ́ǹtì bẹ́ẹ̀ bí Iyabo Òjó ṣe ń ṣe níbo ni bá fojú sílé ni ọwọ́ àti ẹ̀tì tẹ̀mí ní ìdẹ̀ fún mi ní ọ̀tún ọ̀tà mi àwọn tí mi dà abẹ́ ẹ̀gbẹ́ lọ́fíìsì ọwọ́ àti tẹ̀yàn a ní kémi lọ open fake account èmi ò mọ̀ bóyá fake account ṣe rí anything tí Esabod bá fẹ́ sọ ẹni kó gbé receipt wá Esabod nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ clear nípa ẹ̀ ni wípé ẹ wò gbésí ayé Esabod ẹ ò gbésí ayé ẹ wò gbésí ayé ẹ jẹ́ ń tanná ẹ jẹ́ ń ra tan náà ẹ jẹ́ ń tan náà ṣe rí anybody bá fẹ́ parọ́ fún yín ẹni kan fún yín evidence gbogbo evidence tí mò ń gbé jáde fún rárá mi ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀rí kankan lọ́wọ́ àwọn Esabod gbogbo àwọn evidences tí mò ń gbé jáde fúnra mi ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀rí lọ́wọ́ àwọn Esabod ṣé kò yà yín lẹ́nu ẹ̀yin èèyàn àwọn evidences tí mò ń gbé jáde recently ṣé kò yà yín lẹ́nu Esabod ìwọ tó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ó mọ̀ pé lára àwọn nǹkan tó help mi nílé ayé ni wípé irú ìwọ àti Iyabo Òjó I can never make friends with you guys mi ò dẹ̀ lè sọ̀rọ̀ inú mi fún yín because number one you have no address number two you have no pedigree number three how can I put it o ní ìtàn rẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn òbí ẹ ìwọ àti Iyabo Òjó you see if you want to have friends make sure your friend comes with an address don't make friends with people that doesn't have an address òun ló jẹ́ pé gbogbo wọn lórí cyberspace yẹn wọn ò lè rí mi mú ọ̀rọ̀ tí n bá dẹ̀ máa sọ lẹ́yìn ọlọ́rọ̀ 1% ló máa jẹ́ torí tí n bá rí ọlọ́rọ̀ àgbákò ọ̀rọ̀ wà lẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ mi àgbákò báríbakú ọ̀rọ̀ ó wà lẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ mi ìyẹn tí n bá rí ọlọ́rọ̀ gangan if someone does not have an address do not engage them too much ẹni pé gbọ́dọ̀ Esabod ń sọ wọ́n ní wọ́n sọ pé kò sí address kankan olórí burúkú Iyabo Òjó tó máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ She's so desperate, she wanted to make friends with me. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ Tesabod sọ anything. Iyabo Ojo ló pè. Tẹ́ bá wo concept ọ̀rọ̀ Tesabod sọ pẹ̀lú ìtí Lọlá Fádúrì sọ, ẹ rí pé the same thing. I went to Mecca 2019. Mo gba oyè Bọ̀rọ̀kìnní àdínì ní January 2019. Mo ṣe housewarming ibi báyìí ní May, around May, June, around May ṣá ẹ lọ wò lórí Google. Níjọ́ tí mo gbé ilé ìsíta, Gistlover fẹ́ kú. Ṣé believe pé Gistlover require fún gbogbo document ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ló gbà dání. Ẹ bá mi share show yìí. Gbogbo document ilé tí mo wà nínú ẹ̀ ni Gistlover gbà dání. Ìtorí Gistlover ni mo ṣe post document mi kẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́ni. If not for Gistlover, mi ní post document ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Tẹ́ bá wo concept tí Lọlá Fádúrì gbé wá. Tẹ́ bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jáde lẹ́nu Esabod, ẹ rí wípé lórí burúkú Iyabo Ojo tó ti mọ sàárì ọmọ ẹ̀ ló ń kọ script fún gbogbo wọn. It takes someone that is highly intelligent. Èmi tó dẹ̀ ń bàtà mo ní time and date lọ́wọ́. Ṣé mọ̀ pé Lọlá Fádúrì ò mọ̀ wípé mo sì ní evidence lọ́wọ́ bó ṣe contact mi wípé kí má dárò kí o ṣòdì òkè lóhùn kí n rántí nǹkan tó ṣe fún mi nígbà tó ń kó wá sí New York. Ṣé rí pé fúnra Lọlá Fádúrì ló text mi ní message yẹn. Ẹ rí pé mi ò reply message Lọlá Fádúrì. Mo kàn ní o ṣí ọ̀rẹ́ mo dẹ̀ move on. Cause with Lọlá Fádúrì tí mo fẹ́ engage nínú ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹni tó jẹ́ pé kò ní address. Ẹni tó jẹ́ pé tó bá parọ́ mọ́ mi ò lè tètè rí mú. Mo ti prepare fún nǹkan tí Lọlá Fádúrì ṣe fún mi. Láti ọdún tí mo ti mọ̀ Lọlá Fádúrì, that was about 13 to 14 years ago. Ni mo ti prepare nǹkan tí Lọlá Fádúrì ṣe fún mi ní jẹta yẹn. Òun lè fi rí pé tí Lọlá Fádúrì bá send mi ní message, thank you, Eya, darling, it's okay, love you, it's beautiful. Ẹ rí pé mi ò engage Lọlá Fádúrì nínú anything tó lè kó bá mi. A ní Iyabo Ojo máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní má kọ́sì àwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo. Láti ìgbà tí Mohbad ti kú, tí Iyabo Ojo ti ń fọmọ Mohbad, tí Iyabo Ojo ti ń fi Mohbad gba donation. Èló ní Iyabo Ojo fún Liam. Iyabo Ojo bá ọ̀tá Liam láyé jẹ́ ni. Iyabo Ojo bá ẹni ọ̀tá Liam jẹ́. Ó bá ọ̀la ọ̀tá Liam jẹ́. Iyabo Ojo bá gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ ti ọ̀tá Liam, Iyabo Ojo bá jẹ́. Tó bá kè ní kọ̀la kí Iyabo Ojo jáde láyé, àwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo máa ráre kú lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Ó mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ò ní ọpọlọ, ẹ ní brain. Until day you will sit down and think about that Liam. If not for Iyabo Ojo that was stalking Mohbad. Don't forget that Iyabo Ojo's daughter and son, they were friends with Naira Marley. Shubomi was a very close friend to Iyabo Ojo's daughter. What Gistlover did to Shubomi, do you pray they do it for your children? When we are cursing Iyabo Ojo's children, it's just a tautology. Iyabo Ojo's children are cursed already. What Iyabo Ojo did to Naira Marley, Iyabo Ojo's children are cursed for the rest of their miserable life. When Iyabo Ojo and Esabod was cursing Iyabo Ojo's children and Esabod children, it doesn't move me. Because mi ò hùwà èpè. Àwọn Sọjí, àwọn Dọ̀kásì tí wọ́n gbé àwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo ṣépè. Tá máa fi aṣọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ikú òjijì wé gbogbo ọmọ tó jáde lára Iyabo Ojo. Bí Sọjí ṣe sọ. When Sọjí was saying it does not move me. Torí mi ò hùwà èpè. Mi ò hùwà èpè. Yasin. Nígbà tí Sọjí tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ aginjù. Ṣebí photo tí Soji printi lọ sí burial ground lọ fi ṣépè fọmọ Iyabo Ojo. Ṣebí Gistlover ló post ẹ̀. Àbí photo tí Gistlover post kọ́ ní Soji ló print ló mú lọ sí burial ground. So ẹ̀yin lẹ máa sọ fún mi kí n má ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo. Mo ní ẹ̀yin lẹ máa sọ fún mi ẹni tí mo máa gbé gégùn. Gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ní pé ká má ṣépè fọmọ Iyabo Ojo, wọ́n á sin òkú àwọn ọmọ wọn. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́ lókù. Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ wípé òtítọ́ Iyabo Ojo gbé wá nípa mi. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́ lábẹ́ Gistlover lókù. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ àwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́ nínú story tó wà pé àlóyìn orí Gistlover. Gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ní kó má ṣépè fọmọ Iyabo Ojo, bó ní tọ̀hún bá lógún ọdún agbọ́mọ ẹ̀sìn. Gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń kọ́ ti ibi tá a ti ṣépè yẹn. Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé àwa la kọ́kọ́ ṣépè fún Iyabo Ojo àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́ lábẹ́ Gistlover. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ àwọn ọmọ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́ lábẹ́ Gistlover. Àdàbí tí gbogbo nǹkan tí Iyabo Ojo sọ nípa mi tó gbé wá nípa mi tó gbé fún àwọn blogger both Facebook, Instagram, gbogbo ẹ̀. Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ òtítọ́ ni. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́rọ́ ni. Tó bá kẹ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀lá kí Iyabo Ojo jáde láyé, gbogbo ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa ráre kú lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú wọn wọ̀nyí, ẹ̀yin aláìlọ́pọlọ, ẹ̀yin olòṣì, ẹ̀yin ẹni òfò tẹ́ máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ yín. Kò ń ṣe Iyabo Ojo nìkan lọ́mọ ẹ̀ máa ráre kú. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ rí òtítọ́ tẹ́ wá ń fi rọ́bọ òtítọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ nítorí Mohbad ó ṣọmọ yín, nítorí Lizzy Anjorin ó ṣe bí yín, nítorí Very Dark Man ó ṣe bí yín, nítorí Jẹ̀ṣà kì í ṣe bí yín, nítorí Naira Marley ó ṣe bí yín, nítorí pé Sam Larry ó ṣe bí yín, nítorí pé gbogbo àwọn ìṣẹ̀dá tí Iyabo Ojo ti gbé ṣubú títí mọ́ àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run nítorí pé wọn kì í ṣe bí yín. Gbogbo ègún àti èpè tó wà nínú Kùránù àti Bíbélì àti ìṣẹ̀ṣe kó máa lọ jókòó sí ìṣẹ̀dá gbogbo ọmọ tó tara Iyabo Ojo jáde. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ń gbèjà Iyabo Ojo àti tí Iyabo Ojo bá ń gbèjà. Àdàbí tí ọwọ́ Iyabo Ojo bá mọ́. Àdàbí jẹ́ oje pé mo bímọ àtẹ́jọ 43-44. Gistlover and Iyabo Ojo was so desperate. They have to instigate Wale Bouncer to call me. And Wale Bouncer was calling me at my vulnerable moments. Less than 30 minutes that I gave birth. Wale Bouncer called me. I was just moved from the theater because I had CS. I was just moved from the theater to the nursing mother room. And Wale Bouncer was screen videoing me without my consent. And Wale Bouncer told me to show him the face of the baby. And I did it. And Wale Bouncer videoed everything, including the face of my fourth child. For me to have keep my life private, you all should know that for you, Iyabo and Gistlover, coming for my family, you should know it's end of your road. You should know that. Iyabo Ojo, you should know. Less than 1 hour that I gave birth, Gistlover posted the video, the vulnerable moment. A moment that was between me and God. You know what it means to have a child at the age of 43-44. You all know what it means. I've never been married all my life. I have never flaunted my firstborn. I don't flaunt things about me. I only dance to advertise my business. But you, Iyabo Ojo and Gistlover, you bent on destroying my enemy. Ọ̀run á fi aṣọ ikú òjijì wé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Iyabo Ojo àti wo àti Gistlover tẹ́sàbọ̀dù ọ̀run á fi aṣọ ikú òjijì, aṣọ ìpọ́njú, aṣọ ẹ̀tẹ́, ọ̀run á fi wé gbogbo ọmọ tó tara wọ Iyabo Ojo jáde àti gbogbo ọmọ tó tara Gistlover jáde àti Esabod, ọ̀run á fi aṣọ ikú òjijì wé gbogbo ọmọ yín. Gistlover posted that video and Soji printed the photo and they took the photo of the newborn baby. They took it to where? A burial ground. Iyabo Ojo, gbogbo ọmọ tó tara ẹ jáde, wàá nàka sí sàréè wọn kó tó jáde láyé. Gbogbo ọmọ tó tara Gistlover jáde, pátápátá Gistlover tọ́ka sí sàréè àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Esabod kó tó jáde láyé, wàá máa tọ́ka sí sàréè àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ni. Wàá máa nawọ́ ni Esabod sí sàréè àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Iyabo Ojo, you've done your worst on this cyberspace. Now, if you could remember, I did my Borokini 2019, January. I did house. No. The reason why I posted this place, I told you, Gistlover chatted me up that this house is not my house. And I said it's my house. He said I should give her proof. And I gave Gistlover proofs that I own this place. I gave Gistlover my everything concerning this house. I sent it to Gistlover. Gistlover said they said I was not the one. I said, Gistlover, this is the document. You can take it to Alausa, go and confirm. I told Gistlover, this is so here, of your general signature. This is my plan. When I sent it to Gistlover, that was the reason why I posted my house document. I did not post the documents to oppress or to show people that I just bought a mansion. Gistlover was under. Gistlover wanted to lie against me that my house was bought for me by someone. And I challenged her. Me and Gistlover, we've never been friends. We used to have terrible arguments. Gistlover used to destroy people's hard working, hard hand. But the same Gistlover never told Nigerians that Iyabo Ojo's house, I mean the one Iyabo Ojo did house for me, was a rented apartment. Iyabo Ojo, who is Gistlover? If Gistlover can tell me that I should provide evidence that I was the one that bought the house, why is Gistlover not posting you that you rented an apartment? That house is not your house. Gistlover has lived a life that make an average Nigerians that's become Gistlover's victim to feel that nothing works in Nigeria. You see, this is my point. You will to ba fe sneeze sita ni o. To ba fe sin sita ko fo bo mu e. Ma sin sinu o. O le affect e o. O le shika fun e. If you want to sneeze, nature ni o call it for by sneeze. But for bo enu e, ma sneeze pada sinu. Ba mi yoju so ko ba mi take care. Kon fun ni kini gummies and all that. If you are once a victim of Gistlover, you will know that nothing works in this country. Gistlover has done more damages than Boko Haram. Gistlover, I am telling you for free. Gistlover has done damages than Boko Haram. And nobody came to our rescue. Not the government, not the necessary offices. We were being bullied. We paid. We crumble like we tremble when Gistlover chat you up. We tremble on our feet. A country that comes with a government. If you've never been once Gistlover's victim, you will think everything is all right in this country. Not until you become Gistlover's victim. The moment you become Gistlover's victim, you realize that in this country, nothing at all works. Nothing at all. And that is why you see someone like me I have to face my business. And I stand on the truth. And I will never ever go for people that doesn't come for me. Because I know one day this country will work again. Iyabo Ojo and Gistlover will be dealt with. Gistlover was on my neck for like a week. She was desperate to know how, in fact, I almost printed my details and sent to her that check. I bought it with my sweat. She asked for details of people that owns the house, as in the builder of the house. She asked for their numbers for confirmation. If you know what Gistlover has done, imagine Mohbad died. Government ordered for corona inquest. Abi? And it was all and on. And the same government was watching Iyabo Ojo bullying Baba Mohbad to point of death. If Iyabo Ojo's hands are clean, I am not saying she's the one that kpai Mohbad, but if Iyabo Ojo's hands are clean, why did Iyabo Ojo harbor those that were with Mohbad 24 hours before his kpai? You see, there was a time, I remember vividly, around 80s, 90s. Do you know why we did not become bad boys or bad girls then? Because in an area, if 2 or 3 people are suspecting someone, I bet you police will pick that person up. 80s, 90s, when things are working in this country, when 1 or 2 people are complaining about one person, that person will be picked up for thorough investigation. But that person will be in cell for months. If you look at my lifestyle, you realize that I don't make friends. Because any day police are coming to pick that Kabiru, everybody they met with Kabiru will be picked up. And that Kabiru will be in police cell for months. And that Kabiru, first week, he may not see anything. Is that Kabiru that will now expose all the bad people in that street? As a matter of fact, people were scared to make friends then. Because if you happen to be a friend of Kabiru, and Kabiru want to indict you, but look at how people has been pointing at Iyabo Ojo for very long time. For very long time. Look at this Esabod. What will cost Nigerian government to extradite that bastard called Esabod? What will it take our government? Not to lock Esabod. At least Esabod could be a good scapegoat for the youth to take caution in blackmailing business. But the funny thing is that unthinkable people, unimaginable people are enjoying the way in likes of Esabod and Gistlover pull people down. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. A country that is ready to work. What Esabod has done, my baby. Sorry, baby. What Esabod has done, is enough for Nigerian government to write a petition and bring Esabod back to this country, to serve an example for the youth. But when Esabod was doing it, do you know that these airport things that are happening, I have said it, Esabod and Gistlover will happen to everybody. It might be your working place. It might be your marriage. It might be in school. It might be, but Gistlover will happen to everybody. Gistlover will happen to everybody. èyí tí wọ́n náà kùnà bí ẹni máa kú nínú flight tó mú gbogbo ọyàn ẹ̀ tó yọ síta ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ everybody ń ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo yín sì máa nọra yín pa káàkiri Gistlover máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. Issue of my dearest father K1 the ultimate when they did my own jungle justice ní Tom Jones ṣebí Lizzy láláṣejù ṣebí na another jungle justice that happened between my dearest father K1 and the pilot is jungle justice between two of them. The lady that was dragged and they opened her breast, it was jungle justice. Those people that videoed that lady's breast, they saw how DPP thrown out Idumata case. Who are the government? We are the government. Tinubu is not the government. We is a democracy. We are the government. Those people that videoed the breast of that girl, and if there was justice for the Idumata case, those that videoed that lady's breast will be cautioned. Like, people that did this is what happened to them. Ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kódà àwọn ọmọ yín sì máa nọra wọn pa nínú school tó máa ju táyà síra wọn lọ́rùn. Gistlover will happen to everybody. Esabod will happen to everybody. Mohbad will happen to everybody that is supporting Iyabo today. It's a matter of time. Those people that videoed that lady's nudity and posted it, they saw how DPP throw out the Idumata case. When Esabod started destroying people with lies, she started it alone. And those unfortunate bastards, they were watching. Is government coming? No, the government is not coming. Is the rightful office coming? No, it's not coming. Esabod pull down Ajumobi, nothing happened. Pull down Alaafin, nothing happened. Pull down Ojaja, nothing happened. And the youth was like, nothing will happen. Let us choose this business as a lucrative business. Go to any police station today concerning Iyabo, Gistlover, and Esabod. In fact, you will know the reason why Lizzy Anjorin has become a speaker to defend herself. You think that when Iyabo just started this thing, or when Esabod, Dorcas, when they started this thing, when we walk into any station, if our petition was being treated, so I will now be creating time to be talking for what? But when I realized that, seems there is more honor to in lives of Esabod and Gistlover. In fact, their own honor is more than some governors in the country. So, bó ṣe rí nìyẹn, kò sí problem. Kò sí problem, bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Àṣé bó ṣe rí rèé, àṣé kò sẹ́jọ́ ńbẹ̀, kò sọ̀rọ̀, kò sọ̀rọ̀, kò sí wàhálà. Èmi náà wá bẹ̀rẹ̀, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún yín jẹ padà. Ẹ wá sa ẹni helicopter gbé mi. Esabod, helicopter kan bá gbé Lizzy. O mọ helicopter tó máa wá gbé wọ ni. Oní DSS ń ṣọ́ mi. Ṣé mo partake inú politics ni? Àbó gbọ́ pé mo fìbọn fọ́yàn lẹ́sẹ̀. Àbí mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. Mo fìbọn fọ́ wọn lórí. Àbó gbọ́ pé mo lu jìbìtì rí. Gbọ́ mi dáadáa Esabod. Téèyàn bá sanwó olè fún mi lénìí. Tó bá sanwó olè fún mi. Tó bá ti kọjá 24 hours, no refundable ni. Tó bá fẹ́ gba owó ẹ̀ padà, let it be between 24 hours. Between 24 hours. Torí mo mọ̀ wípé kò sọgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ lè dá, ẹ lè lọ wọ́ke, kẹ́ kó s'account mi, kẹ́ wá lè ra lẹ̀ mọ́, kẹ́ wá dówó gbowó yín, gbogbo style yín ò ní work. It's not gonna work. Tó bá ra lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi, àjọ máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó lè fi ra nǹkan mi, ó ní àwọn nǹkan tí mò ń tà pọ̀. Bọ̀ pé àjọ máa wà pọ̀ ni, èmi àti ẹjọ́ máa lẹ̀ pọ̀ ni. Ó rajà lọ́wọ́ mi. Ó ti yé. Ẹ wo ó tiẹ̀ nìkan tí mo fẹ́ play. wá bá mi connect phone mi nígbà tí DPP ṣebí nítorí ṣebí nítorí pé kò kí ń ṣọmọ yín ní Lizzy Anjorin nígbà tí DPP throw Ìdúmàtà up ton throw Ìdúmàtà out Ìdúmàtà tí yín náà ń bọ̀ Ìdúmàtà everybody ń bọ̀ ṣebí Iyabo Ojo ni èmi ò rí bí tí ẹnu ti kùnyàn bí ti Iyabo Ojo yẹn rí imagine kí government máa sọ fún wa wípé àwọn ò mọ Gistlover kọ́ máa sọ pé àmọ́ Gistlover nígbà tán bá sọ fún wa pé àmọ́ Gistlover kó rí neighboring country kan tiẹ̀ wá yí báwọn fẹ́ wá kógun jà wá ibo la fẹ́ dojúkọ àwọn ò mọ Gistlover àwọn ò rí Gistlover nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè fún mi fóònù eléyìí ni kò bá mi connect nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè wọ́n ní wọn ò rí Gistlover ngbà tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì fúnra wọn àbí àwọn necessary office tí wọn ò bá rí Gistlover ṣé mi adé lajúlẹ̀ mi ní èmi ṣàmọ̀ pé tọ́wọ́ ìyá bá dùn Gistlover á gba kóòtù àti station lọ kò dẹ̀ disappoint mi Iyabo Ojo dé kóòtù ọ̀rọ̀ Gistlover ló lọ sọ ẹni kí Iyabo Ojo mú nǹkan tó gbé lọ sí kóòtù ẹni kó wá fi wọ̀nyí ngbà tọ́wọ́ ìyá dùn olórí burúkú alọ́rọ̀ Gistlover Iyabo Ojo ló ń sọ ní kóòtù sẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni kó gbé ń tó gbé lọ sí kóòtù 1 billion naira ẹni kó gbé wá ó rò pé ẹ máa scare mi pé mi ní sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ó ti ya wèrè Iyabo Ojo ó ti ya wèrè gangan àgbákò wèrè iṣẹ́ ó ti ẹ̀ nìkan tí mo fẹ́ kọ́nà jẹ́ kí n rí yẹn ok ẹ máa wo eléyìí o ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ o.
You remember